Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn some daily use English sentences. So without wasting time, let's get going. First sentence टी हेउछि मु सेठिकी जिबी. तो केमति कहबे I will go there. I will go there. मु केतेबेले कहली When did I say? When did I say? किए गला? Who went? Who went? से तुमको डाकुछि. She is calling you. She is calling you. बेसी नुहे. Not much. Not much. मते आहुरी पैसा दरकार. तो केमती कहबे इंग्लिश रे I want more money. I want more money. केतेटा बेले केमती पचारबे इंग्लिश रे at what time. At what time. मु एभली लोकन को घृणा करे. केमती कहबे I hate such people. I hate such people. तमरो उद्देश्य कोन? What is your intention? What is your intention? मु तम विषय रे भाबुथिली. केमती कहबे I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. मते मारनी बा मते पिटनी. केमती कहबे don't beat me. Don't beat me. यह बेकार अटे. It is useless. It is useless. झगड़ा करनी. Don't fight. Don't fight. मु जेमिति कहूछि सेमिति कर. केमती कहबे इंग्लिश रे do as I say. Do as I say. एठी अपरिष्कार करनी. Don't litter here. Don't litter here. काहाको कुहनी. Don't tell others. Don't tell others. से घरे नाही. He is not at home. He is not at home. मु एटा परे करिबी बा मु एटा पछरे करिबी. केमति कहबी इंग्लिश रे I will do it later. I will do it later. किछि कुहनी. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. मते अनुमति दियो. Allow me. Allow me. फुसफुस हुअनी. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. मोटा हुअनी. Don't get fat. Don't get fat. मते चाकरी दरकार. I need a job. I need a job. मु ओठ फाटिची. My lips are chapped. My lips are chapped. भितर को जाओनी. Don't go in. Don't go in. तमु मोजारू दुर्गंध आसुची. केमती कहबे इंग्लिश रे Your socks are stinking. Your socks are stinking. नाकरे आंगुठी पुराओनी. केमती कहबे इंग्लिश रे Don't dig your nose. Don't dig your nose. तमे केबे सुधुरिबनी. केमती कहबे इंग्लिश रे You will never change. You will never change. मु छुट्टी रे थिली. I was on leave. I was on leave. सुन आ पुनरावृत्ति कर. केमती कहबे Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. मु एहा को दुई थर चेक कली. I checked it twice. I checked it twice. कबाट खटखट कर. केमती कहबे Knock the door. Knock the door. तम शपथ भांगनी बा तम कथा भांगनी. केमती कहबे इंग्लिश रे Don't break your promise. Don't break your promise. Okay guys, that's all for today. वीडियो टी आपण मन पई बहुत यूजफुल रहइबो. Keep learning, keep sharing and keep practicing. Bye bye.